We've also agreed to have promotion in our cultural relations. Sufism is spread all over Pakistan, whether it's Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, KP, Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Kashmir. So we have decided to hold cultural events in Bishkek and of course in Islamabad and other provincial centers of Pakistan. We have also mentioned clearly that Pakistan supports CASA 1000 and we appreciate Kyrgyzstan's achievement to complete their part of CASA, and Pakistan's part of CASA will be completed inshallah very soon.